more fun. Okay? Are you videoing?
I have been bowling since 1965.
1959.
About 40 years.
10 years, but I bowled when I was a teenager.
Oh, most of my life.
It's about 32 years, and I love it.
Wichita's a huge bowling community.
Best bowling city in the world. Absolutely, truly is.
If you really are a bowler and really want to have fun in bowling, I think Wichita really has the good venues.
It's a very bowling-friendly community. Sunsets and sunrises here, they're beautiful.
The B-29 Fortress that was built here. We have an Indian art museum.
I love to go see the Keeper of the Plane.
We have amazing theaters, local theaters. I love the casino myself. Go out to eat, restaurants, and go bowling.